Okay, here is the vending machine called the Angler. You can get treats. You can get, let's see, you can get snacks, and then power bait, and shrimp, and what we're after, night crawlers. Ooh, chicken liver. I'll take a chicken liver and a bag of Lay's potato chips. That's pretty neat. All right, what's it? $4? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, oh. Whew, that was close. All right, let's see if this works. We had to call ahead for the Minnows, and the lady's supposed to come out with their Minnows. See, look there. Text for Minnows. Am I reading that right? Reese's is $1.50.
We got the last pack of worms.
Woohoo! Wait a minute. I want. Hold on. Look in my pocket and get out 50 cents. Because I want to eat Doritos out of the worm machine. Just because I can. Here we go. Do you want some snacks?
I'm fine, thank you, though.
Yeah, but when are you going to get to eat potato chips out of a worm vending machine?
It's not something I'm looking forward to doing. You want 31s?
31, please. Now watch it get hung up. Here we go. Thank you, man. Ice machine. We got an order in for the minnows because I want to fish with minnows. Because they said crappie and bass and catfish are biting. And it is almost fall. And that's when we fish with minnows. So we shall see. Think you got to text her to tell her you're here?
Yeah, how many you want?
2 dozen, please. There's that big Texas sky. There, Chris is getting the minnows. And look at there. There's our Doritos to come out of the damn vending machine where you get worms. That's cool. It tastes a little stale. That's all right. I'm very interested to see how much they're going to charge. 2 dozen medium. Minnows have been a little spendier in Texas. So I'm thinking, oh my God, the prices I've seen. Oh, probably $10, which seems like a lot to me. But she's got to sell them out of her house. So we shall see. My guess is $10. There he's back with the minnows.
guessing you don't want them in your lap.
Oh, I can hold them up here just so they don't spill. How much were they?
$4 a dozen.
Oh, wow. That's cheaper than I thought. That's a good deal. That's cheaper than they are at the other places we go.